Hi there, students. A track record. Okay, a person's track record is a person's past performance. When working for an organization, or the track record of a product. And this, usually you look at the track record of something to make a decision, to make a judgment. So perhaps if I'm employing a salesman to work for my company, I will look at their track record in other companies, in the places where they worked for before, and maybe they have a good track record or a bad track record. The job applicant had an excellent track record. So it's a record of the performance of somebody, of their past accomplishments, of their past failures, of a business. So this business has a very good track record for paying on time. They always pay on time, and therefore I think they are a good candidate for credit. This company has a very bad track record for paying on time, and therefore I don't think we should give them credit. A school could have a good track record. So, for example, my school had a really good track record for getting students into Oxford and Cambridge universities. Okay, I think in my year there were 20 people. Okay, so the track record is talking about the past performance. Now, the track record can also be the fastest that somebody has run a course. This, I think, particularly comes from horse racing. And the track record is the fastest circuit that any horse has made at that distance, and this is the track record. Or perhaps an athletic track. The athlete has beaten the track record, the track record here for the 400 meters. Okay, so it's the fastest also that somebody has run something, but normally the track record is the past performance. So a person's it's a record of what a person did in the past, if they did things very well or not. This company has a very good track record about introducing new technology. The sales and marketing department have a very good track record in sales. He has a very good track record for making things work, for implementing new plans. Let's see, which football teams have a good track record? Okay, some football teams nearly always win, and this is having a good track record. So a proven track record, a solid track record, a strong track record, a bad track record, a good track record. This is what you've done in the past. The government has a very bad track record for dealing with inflation, and the track record's important because it indicates what the future performance is likely to be. So if somebody has a good proven track record, they've proven that they do things well, then they're liable to do it again next time. He has a solid track record for making successful songs. This company has a good track record and has increased its dividend every year for the last 12 years. He has a good track record for dealing with complaints and people being satisfactory. Okay, so somebody has a good track record, a team has a good track record. It means they've done well in the past, in their past events. You're referring to their past performance. So if you have a good track record in investment, then more people will ask you to help them invest their money. So it's the track record in an activity or an issue or various things. And let's see, as to origin, this is talking about the running record of horses. A horse, if its history, its accomplishments, its past performance, its previous performance, its performance history, its previous accomplishments. This is talking about the track record. So this job needs somebody with a good track record in investment. We need somebody who has a proven track record selling advertising. He should have a good track record in this area. This teacher has a very good track record in getting students through their Cambridge proficiency exam. The candidates will need to have a proven track record in project management. This fund has a good track record investing in the equity market. You've got to demonstrate a good track record. So, formality, track record. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. I think something very formal, probably not. So, track record.